come on.
Pet shop, man.
Oh, look at these.
What's a rat, that, Grace?
It's so cute, that.
Not that one, that one
Oh,
there.
look at these. Look at these. Oh.
You see what it done there?
Yeah.
What, are you trying to bite your fingers?
No, it's not.
Yeah, look at them rabbits.
Oh, do you think you get to hold them?
No. They're eating, just must have been fed.
That one's so cute, that little orangey one there.
Can you buy them?
Yeah, of course you do.
There's this white one down here.
I don't really like the white ones because after a
It's
bit...
ears, man.
No, but after a bit the white ones' eyes turn red.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look. I'm
Wow.
sure you get to hold them, Dad.
No, you don't. Don't want to hold them anyway, do you? What? What is it?
They're in there. Oh,
that's like your ones, isn't it? It's like yours.
Oh, yeah, that's the one that I had at that.
We're at the pet shop, guys. We're at the pet shop.
They're just getting changed now, aren't they?
What are these?
Oh, I don't want to put
Go for a run, man.
That's what you
Put
need
your
to
fingers
do.
in there. Oh, check it out.
I want him to do that flip. Oh, it's so cute, Dad. It like falls. Oh. Oh, that was so cute. That was so fat. Oh. I think there's something there.
Who's it called? Look at that one.
Yeah, that's what's in there. That's bigger. Where are these ones? I think that one's in there.
That one, what's that? A chinchilla? Cat chinchilla?
Oh, Dad, chinchillas are so cute.
There it is, there, look.
Dad, chinchillas are so cute, you know. £120. Yeah, what's no, Dad.
Grace, if it jumps up now,
Don't say that, you're scared.
it's like, look how quiet it is.
And we just sleep all day, Dad. They
Yeah.
stink, yeah, they stink. Is there another one in there?
No.
I thought that was a pet then.
Yeah, let's have a look down here. Is it moved?
Watch. Blowing it, blowing it.
Blow it. Gracie, stop blowing on it.
Shut up.
You got bad breath.
Shut up, just been to Daddy. Oh, this one.
It's lazy, that, man.
Look at it.
Don't put your fingers near that.
Look at that one. Oh, that one's coming out, that one's coming out.
These are baby chinchillas, it says. What is that?
No, that's for up there.
It's looking at us, it's well onto us, look.
No, I think they are in chinchillas, Dad. No, they're not. I don't know if they are
They
or
look like
not.
little rats, don't they?
Yeah. What the big ones are proper cute. Let's have a look around here.
What come we doing with that in your house? Imagine having that and it's running on that all day.
Is that white one? Is that white one?
Oh. Yeah, there's some little baby ones round there, look at that.
Look at what?
Baby rabbits.
Oh, no, don't even lie.
It's in there, isn't it? Is it in there? It was in there. I've seen it in there, haven't you?
What are these?
What? What's in there?
They're gonna buy one.
No way, man. Oh, that's not...
That's it.
Right, we're at another pet shop with Gracie. Don't know why she wants to go on pet
No,
shop.
they're just really cute
Pet shop
animals.
hunting. We're at a pet shop.
Is this the one?
Yeah, it's down there. So I don't know if we're on a film, but we'll Check it out, man. Oh, look at that.
Dad, that is so
Shh, he's asleep, man. He's a little chihuahua, isn't it?
Oh, he's so adorable. I love it.
Nice, isn't it?
Then again, it's so lonely.
Come on, let's have a look.
You know, we got turtles.
Look at that, Grace. Turtle,
Yeah,
man.
see, turtles, told you.
It's real.
Unless it's real. It walks really slow, I've seen it before.
Careful, man. It might.
It's too slow, it's a turtle.
Grace, they're fast, I think.
They're
I think
not.
that's a fairy, that. Should be in water, shouldn't it?
No, that's a tortoise, that's a turtle. No, this is a tortoise, that's a turtle that you're thinking about.
Oh, it's. God, man.
A tortoise has legs like that.
I wonder if it likes being in here.
Of course it does, isn't it?
Like tiny, man. Come on, let's have a look round.
Fair, isn't it?
Nah, man. These are all the cages and that what you can buy out there.
Well, you have fish and everything. Something, yeah.
Right. You might have to just turn the camera off in a minute because I don't think we can film here.
Yeah, it's not really fair. Is it?
That glass.
I think that's like the yeah.
That's right.
We come here looking for one like Lola.
So, can I Grace, they're nice, aren't
I
they?
need that one. I need that one.
That's like collar, remember?
I need that one. Oh, this is so cute.
Shih Tzus, them, aren't they?
Yeah, some of them. Ah.
Look at his little legs.
That's like Bella.
Yeah. Okay, so look at these little skinny pigs. Skinny pigs.
There's
Shouting.
Sorry.
Scare them
There's
all.
rotters there.
Gracie making a noise. Oh, is that parrot on us?
I'm not scared of parrots.
This bad boy, Grace. Hello? Grace, this is talking. Saying hello. Hello? Hello?
Hello? I don't think it does.
Yeah, it does. It just said hello to her. Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, I better get sick of it.
That's a nice one, that. What are they called? Blue and gold McCoy. £1,200, £1,295. Yeah, Grace, this one just said hello again. Hello.
Don't do that. You mad? Hello? We look so deaf saying hello from Harriet.
That's what your mum used to have, Grace, one of them. African grey.
Oh, is it? Where at Granddad's?
We had it at our flat, but then we gave it Grandad.
You're the coin?
Yeah.
I remember.
Hello. Grace, look, it's coming down to see us. Hello. Hello.
Oh, scary. Oh, you said it. Hello? I'm scared of him.
Oh, look, this one wants your attention. Look, this one's climbing. See it? It said hello.
Oh, it reminds me of Blake. Hello.
Dancing. Hello.
Doing the floss. No, let's turn it round so you can see itself. Oh, oh, that's so weird. It's just seems a lot like you. Hello? They're singing hello. Hello? Oh.
That one's finger, age 2.
What?
That one's £1,800, that. 800, 1,800.
Oh, we're going to see hello. Hello? Really? Oh, what's he got here? Let's have a look at these ones. I'm getting a bit scared. You know, you want to do this?
Look at these, Grace.
Is it? Oh, they're so small. How much are they? Turtles, £29 each. Over there. Look at them big ones. Oh, they're scary. Are they doing the tracking?
Oh, look at that one there. See it? It's green. It blends in with you.
Oh, that's a chameleon. Look at them, Dad.
Look at them fighting.
Look at them over there.
Look at them, 150.
Dad, what can you get them for Christmas? Can you?
No, it's not fair on them, Grace. We go on holiday and everything, don't we? When we go on holiday, it's these ones. I like these, mate.
That's shedded. It's a snake. Look at his skin.
What's that? I like these ones, mate.
Yeah, them small
Toys.
Tortoise. No, it's probably cute, aren't they?
Indian star tortoise.
That snake down there.
Where is it?
There, what?
Oh. So when they shed the skin, that means they're getting bigger, doesn't it?
Yeah. Look at the girl in there. What's in there?
Don't know. You've got to be careful of spiders and that.
I'm so scared, you know. What's up there?
No, I can't see it.
Yeah, well,
Baby royal python.
Oh my god, there it is! There it is! Oh! Wow, I don't like it. I feel like I'm doing this. I don't like it.
These are spiders
They're
now.
frogs. Look at that frog, that's so white. Yeah,
Spiders.
frogs. Oh.
Pink-toed tarantula.
Oh my god. Look there,
Oh, look at this one, Grace. This has got to be a big spider. Look at it in there. That got loads of cobwebs.
I'm scared.
Oh.
Horn baboon. Horn baboon.
That big ones in here, you know. Oh, there's a big one there, look.
So what?
See
Oh
that
my god. We can't turn anymore because of that.
Spiders are my worst thing.
Look at that, Dad.
What's that?
Millipedes. See it there?
Oh yeah. Millipede.
Geckos are so cute. There it is. It's so small there.
Oh yeah, there. Come on, let's have a look. Keep walking around. What's that?
House.
Green anholes.
Animals.
Oh, look at them little legs there. Wonder what that is.
I bet that's like a snake.
That'll be a snake, that, won't it?
Let's give it like. I bet it's inside of its food bowl. Not for the Saturn, because the red don't work now because of that Saturn.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these when I think of the bottom. I bet they're them things that sit in the sand, aren't they?
Yeah.
But that's why they're closed so you can see them. So there must be something in the sand, like an animal in the sand. There it is.
Got a snake, Grace.
Where? Where?
It's in the little jar of water.
Oh, yeah, I can see its little head.
That one there's a snake.
You know, you need to start watching.
No, I don't want
Corner things. Brian.
him from LA.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that frog.
Like, you know, that's like a Pac-Man frog.
Look at the green colours.
Pac-Man frogs are so cute.
Yeah.
The painted frog, what's that?
Come on then, let's have a look in here.
Oh, look at it there, that's so cute. I get a little bit scared, you know. No, they can't hurt it, but just feel like look at that. Look at that on the roof.
Oh yeah, that one's trying to escape, that one.
It won't be able to. It'll work. Besides, look at that. Brilliant. I'm scared. Let's see this big one. Oh, Dad!
What?
Try to spot where they are.
There it is on the
No,
top.
there's another one. Look at them all there.
Oh yeah?
You can't see them. Oh, that one. Oh, I didn't even see that one. That one right there. And that one there.
They go dead slow, these ones, don't
Is
they?
it weird when you can't see
Look,
them?
like dead slow, look.
Okay. They have long tongues, these ones, don't they? I think they're blind, aren't they?
No, I think they're just dead slow.
Oh, they're
They
slow.
walk really slow, don't they?
Yeah, I think it's because of the antlers. What's in that one?
Yeah,
It's hard.
it's weird how they change colour, innit, to the wood.
Yeah, these ones drop their tails.
Yeah, if you hold them.
Yeah, well, it just goes in and drop their tails if they get scared, don't they? Oh, I'm going to fix them at Chinese place.
Oh yeah.
There's some treasure in it. Oh boy, yeah. A mixed mouth. £2.50 each. 4 for the tenner.
They're piranhas, them, Grace.
They're dolphins.
I'll leave it then.
They look like sharks. They do look like sharks. Oh, this is like all their little stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, this is what you buy now. Oh,
These are like little crocodiles, aren't
no, the goldfish is snide.
they? Look at these. These have got big brains.
Yeah. You've had some of them ones before.
Look at these, they've got big bellies. Have I had some of the big brains?
Following that, that's weird, isn't it? What are they? Let's have a look at them. Starfish, look at starfish.
Look at them little suctions on it.
Yeah. That one. A dragon
like
one.
six.
Oh, there's some Nemo ones.
They are so cute, they look really soft and all that. But they're so pretty, this little pink one.
Oh, yeah. Grace, don't tap on the glass.
Do you think it's really loud?
Yeah. Bit like echoes, like vibrates. Oh, there's a. Oh, look at that, Grace, that shrimp thing. It's just come out when we was there.
That looks scary.
Blood shrimp.
£29.
That's well smart, that blood shrimp. That's what I'd have if I had them shrimps and these. Look at them Nemo and Dora.
Clownfish.
Sold to Ryan.
Oh. That's seahorses.
That one.
Can't believe you have seahorses. That's a baby starfish. I've learnt about it. I don't think it's baby
Oh, is it?
starfish, yeah. Daily Bumps had one of them. See there? It's not gonna fall or something.
No, that do not. They're Dory ones, aren't they?
Look at those sea snails.
Check this Chinese chippy thing out here. Might get Gracie some dinner tonight from here.
Where?
Looks a bit dingy, man. The Kitadel. The Kitadel there, check it out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at that. It's weird, isn't it?
Damn! Better get some dinner first. Here, what's this?
No, we're not eating out of there, man. Are you crazy? To eat out of there? Crazy. Hello. No chance we're eating out of that place. You buy a kebab and you get a bog roll with it. Kebab and bog roll.
I'm hungry now.
We're hungry and we probably stink of all them turtles, parrots, dogs, cats.
Why did you look at the cats?
lizards.
Why do you look at cat?
Don't like cats, I'm allergic to them. I'm allergic to cats. Allergic.
Where's one next time?
Now there's one more caramel biscuit left and you can have it. Right, what we're doing?
Don't know.
They don't really know.
Can we go Krusty Krab? Come on. Hey, do you like Krusty Krab?
I don't like Krusty Krab.
Don't lie!
Stop name dropping on our channel. These people are not paying us to promote them. Seatbelts for safety.
Chipper, sponsor us.
No, we're already too fat, we're like on. Where are we off to now?
Krusty Krab. If it's actually open, because it's never open.
Your friend's mum works there now, doesn't she?
Yeah. She probably knows what we're going on about.
Shout out to Zoella on our channel. We're not allowed to promote anyone, they don't promote us.
A few moments later.
Lunch. Sitting down.
Right, so we've stopped at the Krusty Krab. Gracie wants a pie. A bleeding pie. So, did you have any pies?
No,
Not one single pie?
Please,
What about sausage roll?
Go and ask, please.
Come on, Gracie, give us a go. You got I've got apple pie then.
No, well, I don't like apple pies. Go and have a look what there is. Go and ask. Because she won't tell me.
Well, was there any pies in the cabinet? No.
Go and ask for it.
So you got me a delicious apple pie then, didn't you?
Go and ask her.
No, it's on there. It's on there. Why don't you get a ham salad? Oh no, I can make a ham salad in the house. Got all the ham stuff. Yeah. Tell them all your life story on there.
I'm really fancy Krusty Krab,
The
guys.
devastation.
Rebecca,
Devastation, actually.
Rebecca, what we're going to do without a Krusty Krab? Right, I'm very upset now.